Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning the notification summary when locked on or off on the Apple Watch Series 10. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Your watch can show a notification summary when it is locked. This is typically the app icon, name and headline. Follow the steps to learn how to turn this summary on or off. Tap the digital crown to open the app menu. Then tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Scroll down and tap Notifications. Scroll down to Show Summary when locked and tap the toggle to the right to enable or disable the summary. When the toggle is green, the summary is enabled, and when grey, it is disabled. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.